Today, it is further proof that we can take Maldives to new heights in the international exhibition arena. Maldives exhibition and conference services together with Lanka exhibition and conference services. Suppose we have put this show together. Last year, when we started, we had very few stores. Exceptionally, when we look into the numbers, like we had about something like 32 stores in total, and few booths to display. Today, we have almost about 8 booths behind the area of the Varga. I hope that we will be going and having a look at it. And we have some booths displayed on water as well. This, I believe, is a good beginning for this year. And then we believe that in future we can have this exhibition in Zulmale where we can get more opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, an exhibition of this magnitude will never be something that is very easy unless with the support of the government ministries and the related authorities. We have been getting quite a lot of support from our exhibitors. Meanwhile, also the Maldives National Chamber of Commerce and Industry helping us in getting the relevant approvals as fast as possible. Now, in a show like this, today we have so many issues that we can really face because of climate issues and also the problems with the logistics. However, with the help of relevant authorities, we solve all that. This only happens because the ministries we believe are ready to support on every request of ours. I would like to note the support that we receive from Trade Ministry especially to put this exhibition as a forefront event for the country. We believe that it will happen within the next 5 years, that we will become one of the largest boat shows in the region. At least let's keep our hope for that at the beginning. I would also like to thank for those who have sponsored, as you can see from our banner, there's quite a lot of companies that have committed and helped us in putting the event together. I would name this too much, but I would like to thank all of them, all the exhibitors for taking participation in this exhibition. Once again, welcome to the Maldives International Boat Show 2008, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Ajni, for that very promising few words. And next is the keynote address by Chief Guest Honorable Abdullah Kamali, Mr. Senator. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one of the most pleasant and popular ministers in India, Honorable Abdullah Kamali.
Maldives life का हमारा बहुत बहुत ये खड़ा होगा इंसान बन जाती है हम जोड़ते हैं वो ये जब सरकार ऐसी है कि वेलकम आगे हमारी है बहुत कुछ नहीं पब्लिक डिपार्टमेंट डिपार्टमेंट है इसका बता रहा हूँ मैं खिदमत को इस तरह की राज्य और अमल करने जमा फल करने जमा देने बढ़िया तुम हवाले से फराक में बैठा कि कलबे गिरी राज्य कलबे बरबड़ गुड़ी मसಕ್ಕೆ ಬಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣೆ ಅವರ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಕೊಮ್ಮರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮೋದಂಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವುದು ನಿಖರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವುದಾಗಿ ಕೊಮ್ಮದೇ ವಾದ್ಯ ಮೋದಂಗರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟೈಗರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಧ್ವಾದ ಈ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ Maldives Indian Water Sports Association ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಹವಾಲ್ತೆಗೆ ಆಗುವುದಾನಿಕ್ಕ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಈ ಮೋದಿಗೆ ಕೋವರ್ತಕ ಮೋದಿಗೆ ಕಂಕಣ ವರಬೋಡ ಗುರಿಯ ಮತ ಜನರು ಅವರು ಯಾರ ಮಾದರಿ ನಿಂತಾಗಬಹುದು ಯೋಗ್ಯ ಮಾದರಿ ಈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಗೆಳೆಯ ನಿಖಾಸಂತ ಯಾರ ಮಾದರಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನಿಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ವಕ್ರಾಂಜಲಿ ಈ ವಿವಿಧ ಅವರು ಕಡಿಗಂಜಿ ಅನಿಕ इंदिरा सरकार मोदी अव्वल हर राष्ट्र पत्रकार रिपोर्ट मिनिस्ट्री होम राज्य डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री जब डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री हवाले भारत बड़ गजमा అది వేద విరాజ్యం ప్రశస్తంగా భారత ప్రతిభకు కొరగలిగింది ధన్యవాదం డిఫెన్స్ మినిస్ట్రీ హవాలే దోస్తలకి నార్కోటిక్ మస్లోని साइड ब्लॉक मसले में बदलिए एक और दोस्तों एवं हम भारत बड़ा हारान हम अंतरिक्ष राज्य राज्यसभा अभी मादर पन्ने हनुम मशक्कत बल्लं सिंगा दोन साल भारत बड़ा हारान तरीके सफेद सफेद फोटो बच्चे इंजिन आधार मत्सरकन यादावर बतकम तकनीक सौकर्यकल दोन साल हनुमान हुर्गे बोडकन दक्कादे कमी की अनेक आवाज मसक्क दास्तर ईदकुन गंभीर खुशी then ఇంకా అమరావతి మినిస్ట్రీ ఇంకా రెండు మినిస్టర్ అగ్రికల్చర్ అండ్ మరిన్ రిసోర్సెస్ ఇంకా ఉంది ఎక్కడ ఉన్న మినిస్ట్రీకి అమెరికానికి మసూకార్య మినిస్టర్ వేరే రగబస్ వరకున మీరు చెల్లెం చెప్దాకున్నాను బయలుదేరాలి తొందర కథలు మంది గోప్ కథ ప్లేసెస్ కథ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ రాజధాన్య కథలు ముఖ్యం మనసుకున్నాను ఏదో వరబడ కృషి నికర విరాజ్య వరబడ ఇండస్ట్రీ యొక్క ప్లేసెస్ సెదిమా అయితే దిక్కుమాని కన్నది దానికి అవున జరిగింది అన్నారు కొన్ని చోట ఇంకా पायुधान देखे राज्य आमदनी होता राज्य मशक्कत की विधान कमटका शुक्र धन्यवाद की मुझे धक्का जेल है बहुत बरसात